Story name is The Peacock Who Wished to Fly. Tosi, the peacock, was a kind and gentle bird. He lived in peace with all the other birds, but Tosi had a dream. Instead of peeking at the ground, he wanted to fly to faraway lands. He wished he could see all the beauty of nature for himself. But Tosi, the peacock, could not even travel far in search for food. Some naughty birds mocked him. They left him alone whenever they went in search of food. Tosi the peacock thought to himself, "If I am a bird, then I should be able to fly. Why don't I have wings like other birds?" Tosi the peacock thought hard. He decided that he would try to collect feathers from other birds. He crept up behind the owl. He plucked a few feathers from her back without being noticed. The feathers were beautiful, long and hard. He did the same with the parrot. He got beautiful green and yellow feathers. He stole feathers from many different birds. He even plucked feathers from geese who were swimming in the river. The feathers were pretty and white. Tosi kept his feather gathering a secret. Tosi the peacock even stole feathers from two eagles while they were busy eating. By now he had collected a lot of beautiful feathers. He cleverly wove them together. He carefully fixed the feathers to his tail. When he stretched his tail, the feathers spread out like a fan. It was beautiful. The different colors made him look even more attractive. Now Tosi the peacock was the most attractive bird in the village. None of the other birds had feathers as beautiful as Tosi the peacock. Tosi the peacock was happy as the most beautiful bird in the jungle. He no longer wanted to fly. Other birds did not mock or tease him anymore. They were too busy admiring his beauty. The end.